Today is May 1st. May 1st is the day I registered to run for Lieutenant Governor. May 1st, 2013. May 1st is Freedom Day. Today is my Freedom Day. This is testimony for the grand jury for the case against Scott Shellenberger and my kidnapping and my criminal charges I filed on Friday against Scott Shellenberger. Marilyn Mosby has these charges. This is evidence for that case. That's Scott Shellenberger. All right? That's me. Kidnapped. 1402 Lochner. All right? I was kidnapped at 1402 Lochner. These are the criminal charges. All right? And this is signed. The state got it. And they ain't gave me a tracking number. See that? That's the ID number. These are criminal charges of Scott Shellenberger kidnapping. April 27, 2021. The anniversary of Freddie Gray's murder. That's Adrian Jones. That's States Attorney, Baltimore County. All right, y'all got this? That's Newton. That's Will Smith. That's Johnny Oleski. That's the ethics. Because our public officials ain't giving me justice, so I'm going to get justice another way. If y'all don't give me the courts, I'm going to the silver screen. I'm making a movie about this. You feel me? I'm not Emmett Till. I'm Shorty. I'm not Keith Davis. I'm Shorty. I'm not George Floyd. I'm Shorty. All right? I own Shorties. I'm the chairman, the president, the vice president. I got all titles. You feel me? To be the best, you got to beat the best. And this is Shorty's Underground Ribs and Catering. That's from March 1998. I was filming a documentary, False Imprisonment. That's Barbara Mikulski, 2009, long before I got locked up. Like I said, Harriet Tubman, the Underground Railroad. This ain't my fight. This is our struggle. I got a G disc, and this is for evidence. We're going to turn this for the grand jury. Everything on this disc is going to be for the grand jury. This one right here. You see that? Everything. See the dates from 2007 to 2000 what? And we playing this one right now. It's the PDF file. Like I said, it's 1 of 100. And we doing this by pictures. That's me in the United States Navy. USS Mississippi, CGN 40. We transported drugs. Yeah, we transported drugs. My story was about drug dealing. I got my arm broke because, like I said, I was a loan shark. And I did a lot of things in the Navy. I learned how to be a criminal in the Navy. And that's me in the Navy. People I belong to. That's my mother. I kept a book of everything I did. And that's what Lake County stole. That's my firstborn. That's Jake Davis. That's the one that stole my property. Yeah. Fathers against sons. We in the worst of times. Fathers against sons, sons against fathers, mothers against daughters. We living in Sodom and Gomorrah. You feel me? But I fight for my kids. Now, Jake Davis, while I was locked up, he forged checks. He assumed my identity. And he got to pay for that. He owed the state money. And the state owed me money. So the last shall be first and the first shall be last. But we're going to change all this. Like I said, I used to be a pimp, a hustler. I used to do a lot of things. But I never did that in Baltimore. Y'all stole me from my family and you took my property. I'm out. A lot of things that I can't be replaced. But this was about the war on drugs. All right? The war on drugs is white and black. You feel me? The war on drugs, that's what this was about. The war on drugs. Don't call 911. Police will kill you. This was all about the war on drugs. The 1979 Richard Nixon. And it gives you the history. So like I said, this is about my criminal complaint. Y'all locked me up because I wanted to end the war on drugs, United States domestic policies. This is a silent movie. But like I said, I got 14 years of this. It's about your prison industry. N62528, State Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. The cost to taxpayers. A 2008 study by Harvard University. Yeah. Like I said, I got my shit together. The U.S. government's involvement in drug trafficking. I was part of the Navy. I'm a whistleblower. You feel me? The CIA and Contra and cocaine. Y'all wonder why y'all got immigration problems? Because y'all got the Iran-Contra. Yeah. Nicaragua. Yeah. That shit is seeds that y'all planted a long time ago. And this is your information. I was administrative assistant to the engineering officer. All right? It's all about the war on drugs. Sailor turned smugglers. Look at my DD-214. It has drugs, loan sharking, gambling, and prostitution on my and I'm out of honorably discharged. The night after Nicaraguan gangsters trolled the bars. All right? And we made deals with you, the United States Navy. We made deals with you. Huffington Post. This is 2011. Yeah, criminal justice. Like I said, I do my research. I'm very detailed in my work because the devil is in the detail. The Maryland Law Review. Marijuana, High Seas Act. Jurisdiction over states vessels. We used to transport drugs and drop them out 3 miles out. We dropped them out to international waters. Coast Guard got a lot of them drugs. They didn't turn in a lot of drugs. They take a percentage out so they look good, but they steal more than they turn in. Total vessel seizures, U.S. 1980s. Yeah, I was in the Navy then. Yes, sir. And that's me. United States Navy. All right? I made a story about y'all, and that's what all I was doing. I made a movie and a book, and y'all kidnapped me for it. Because, see, that's me, suspect in drug shooting, surrenders to authorities. A Waukegan man charged Thursday in the Tuesday shooting of reputed North Chicago drug dealer Dwayne Davis, 22, a 216 Bluff Court in Waukegan, Illinois, shot Eugene Hall. You see me? So when you talk about, that's the South Side. According to police, Hall and Murray conspired to kill Davis because he had invaded their South Side narcotics dealing territory. You feel me? So when you talk about drug dealers, dog, that's what I used to do at 22. I'm 62, 40 years ago, and I'm still standing. And I kept a documentary about this. This ain't just a movie, it's my life. Fred Foreman, class of 66. Yeah. He part of that Ku Klux Klan class. Controversial ex-mayor and thick of race. That's Robert Sabanja. Like I said, I got everything I need. I want to go to court. You locked me up for making a movie about your corruption. And that's when I came to Baltimore, straight out the Illinois Department of Corrections. Yeah. I lived in Owings Mills and I started the grill. That's Devron and Vernon. Yeah. That's my crew and my squad. I used to, and took them to Waukegan too. These is my sons. Because see, y'all ain't showing no movies, nothing to show a black man in America standing up for his kids and his family. You know what I'm saying? I changed my life. These is my sons. That's Jake. That's Gerald. These is my kids. And this is a shorty program that I gave you. It's a reentry program for ex-felons. And it works. And I've been working this program. You feel me? Economics, political, medical, environmental. I gave you all that. You feel me? Members needed. And I've been working this program since I came here. No child left behind. And if you ride with me, I don't leave you behind. I gave you careers, not jobs. I gave you careers. Visual and performing arts, political involvement, photography, journalism, technology, law, sports, cultural. I gave you this. By the people, from the people, for our nation. Waukegan, Illinois. I wanted to end the war on drugs. On the above date, reporting officer spoke with Dwayne Davis. Go get my criminal record. I'm Shorty. I'm the same Shorty that I was then, I am now. People of the state of Illinois, 1986, N62528. I'm innocent of all charges. Self-representation. Oh, shit. Let me get this back. How did I lose that? Well, anyway, social media for social change. I can produce everything since, what, 1977. Y'all locked me up because I wanted to end the war on drugs. Y'all locked me up because I named the government officials involved in this. Y'all locked me up because Congressman Cummings' legacy is going to be a legacy of lies. Y'all locked me up because truth speaking to power, and power can't shut me down. Social media for social change. Google, MySpace, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. I got everything I need documented, downloaded. And I got an external hard drive. You feel me? I got an external hard drive. And what I got on that hard drive is going to send a lot of people to jail. I was kidnapped by the state. I was kidnapped by the state. And we're going to end white supremacy in Baltimore City and Baltimore County. You fucked with the wrong man. You stole me from my family. I was kidnapped. So make sure that we do Google search. Truth speaking to power. It's the good in the hood. It's the good in the hood. The contents of my vehicle was worth $130 million. My truck was worth $6,000. I was insured by State Farm Insurance. I had insurance. When I went to Illinois, I was insured for $250,000. Prudential life insurance. Everything I did, I documented it. Social media for social change. MySpace, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Don't get no sweeter. Mic check. File them charges. I want my freedom. Because I'm a free black